Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Scrolling Credits Pro app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Scrolling Credits Pro is a specialized editing tool designed to help users create smooth, professional-looking scrolling credits similar to those seen at the end of movies. The app provides customizable templates, adjustable scrolling speed, font styles, background options, and export settings tailored for filmmakers, content creators, YouTubers, and event organizers. It's available on major platforms and supports high-resolution exports for clean, polished visuals. The app's main feature is its intuitive credit builder. You can add names, titles, sections, and spacing in an organized layout, and the app automatically formats the credits with smooth vertical motion. It also allows custom fonts, color themes, and background images or gradients, giving users creative control while maintaining a cinematic feel. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, professional output, and rendering stability. The app saves significant editing time by removing the need to build scrolling animations manually in complex editors like Premiere Pro or After Effects. Its clean interface and precise previewing tools make it useful for both beginners and experienced creators. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced customization, such as keyframed animations, multi-column formatting, or complex motion effects, may be limited compared to full video editing software. Some users report occasional rendering delays with longer credit sequences. The app also focuses solely on scrolling credits, so it may feel limited for those needing broader editing capabilities. In summary, the Scrolling Credits Pro app may be worth using if you want fast, clean, and professional scrolling credits without using complex editing tools. However, if you require deeper animation control or full video editing features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.